All right, let's do this.
Watch that tree for you.
Yep, you good on this side.
All right, we're gonna hit that rock.
Yeah, we're doing good.
There's the big one.
You got it.
You bitch.
Go a little bit down. All right, you got it.
Yeah, bro. All right. All right.
All right.
Bring me over to that roof ball on the right.
We good on that side?
Yep, good on this
All
side.
right, that's good.
Doing good, doing
We're
good.
doing good.
Yes.
It's a good little piece of trail right here.
Good trail. All right, all good. Yep, straight and steady.
Yeah, we're good.
I think you need to bump it just a little more. There's a rock in your right rear tire, and that's what seems to be where you hang up. There you go.
Are we a little?
Oh,
You're still running?
That? Yeah.
I didn't know how long we were going to sit here.
We're good.
We're behind you, do you?
No, we're bringing up the rear.
I do. Yeah, I'd be ready for any type of rollback on this guy, unfortunately.
We'll let him get some distance.
Yeah. Oh, we're tail gunning.
We're tail gunning.
Tail gunning. Shaggy.
Yeah, you know it. You know it, man.
That's the right amount of letters, too.
You should get that. That would be good.
Shaggy?
Yeah.
Right.
But you'd have to, do you have a Florida State plate?
No, I have a Florida State Surrounder.
Ah, then you could do it.
Why couldn't I do it if I had a Florida State plate?
Because I don't think there's 7 letters on the.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
University plates.
Yeah. Yeah, I have an
What's going
alumni
on here? What have we got going on here?
Y'all know, we got kids out, Kevin out.